Police say a major drug and gun bust in North Adams has 5 people facing drug trafficking and firearm charges. On Wednesday, officials had a warrant to search a home on Mohawk Forest Boulevard. There, they found Jalen Graham, James Bennett, James Davis, Lindley Wright, and Scott DiMolino. Investigators say some of them tried to flush a significant amount of cocaine down the toilet as officers entered. Police say they seized about 1,650 bags of heroin, fentanyl, 59 grams of cocaine, cash, digital scales, and 3 loaded guns. 4 out of 5 suspects are currently being held. DiMolino was released on his own recognizance.